Thank you for joining. Enjoy this video on how I redid my clearance plant and I made a new planter for it. And in the words of my granddaughter, leave your comments below. Let's go. I purchased these plants from Lowe's off of their clearance rack. Both of them, I bought two, were $3.50, so that's $7 for these beautiful rock rose. They are native plants to Texas. I actually see that they look like a hot mess, but as you can see, they have these beautiful pink flowers that should come out on them. And I'm going to give it some food and revive it and see what happens. But I think and I'm hoping it comes out nice. I got this idea from my son to take a crate and make them into planters. That's what he does with his bonsai plants. And I'm going to spray paint this off of here with some black paint and clean it up so we can see how it come out. I will also just put this little dab of green on here. I guess it'll look pretty nice from afar. This is landscape fabric, and what I'm going to do is actually cut it down to size. I'm going to put it in the bottom of this crate to support it and give it some good drainage. Then I'm going to take this plastic bag that I got for a package and just line it with that. Now what you will see here is that I have the landscape fabric down here. I'm not worrying about the size because the soil is going to hold that in, and I'm just going to cut the top of this bag off around the edges. Just an FYI, the roots on these plants are nice and white and bright. That's one of the main reasons you want to buy a plant. Okay, I have it planted now. I'm going to give it some water. I want to make sure that this drain is coming out here pretty nice, and as you can see, it's draining nicely. Guys, this is the next day. Look at this plant. Isn't it crazy? The leaves are lush and nice. Look at those blooms. I can't believe 3 of them, maybe 4 I believe, opened up at one time. I am just loving this plant. Isn't it beautiful? I hope you got something educational out of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Until next time, thanks.